Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have an Italian wrap. First thing I'm going to do is make some romaine hearts into shredded romaine hearts. And this is literally the only planning you have to do for this thing. Alright, let's move on. Okay, so let's start assembly. Like I said, this is a really simple recipe. It's perfect for first timers. It's perfect if you have a toddler that wants to cook dinner for the family because they see mommy or daddy doing it. You don't actually have to cook a goddamn thing on this. Like, seriously, you could have a 3-year-old do this. So anyway, we have a tortilla shell. I think it's a garlic and herb tortilla shell, if I remember correctly. And we have some of that shredded hearts of romaine. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of Italian dressing. Again, I didn't even bother to make it myself. I didn't care. Okay, now we're going to lay down some Virginia ham. And then we're going to lay down about 6 to 8 slices of Genoa salami. And then we're going to place a nice little layer of pepperonis. If you don't know where to get these big-ass pepperonis, they're available at any grocery store's deli. Any decently sized grocery store should have these. And then we just want to add a bit of provolone cheese. Again, if you want to use mozzarella, that's fine. Cheese is up to you. Also, you could add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm going to add some banana peppers to this. All right, and then you just want to carefully wrap this sumbitch up. And unfortunately, that's pretty much it. So, that's an Italian sandwich wrap. Done.